नव्यान तयार केल्ल्या केळशी पंचायतीक नव्या सुवातेर स्थलांतरीत करपाक कळाव जाल्ल्या खातीर केळशीच्या ग्रामपंचायत वांगड्यांनी चिंता व्यक्त केल्या. कुट्टाळे ग्रामपंचायत कार्यालय परिसरात एका पत्रकार परिशदेन सरपंच सिनी परेरा आनी उपसरपंच रेमंड डिसान कागाळ केल्या. दोन पंचायतीचो कारोबार एका पाख्यापणान करपाचो निर्णय घेतिल्ल्यान आडमेळी येता म्हण कागाळ कुट्टाळेच्या पंचायतीन केल्या. RDX खातीर कुट्टाळेच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा.
A joint meeting was held on 25th of this month, that is of September, and we had come to a conclusion after a wide discussion which lasted more than 3 hours. We came to a conclusion, meaning a few points that we agreed, being the Sarpanch and the Deputy Sarpanch of the Kortalim Village Panchayat, we agreed to a few points. The first point was regarding the independent office premises which is already been allotted to the Kelosim Panchayat. It's in Kelosim. Okay, so we agreed to that. Secondly, we also agreed to the dedicated staff. So they being the C grade Panchayat, theirs is one clerk, one peon. So we agreed to share one of the clerk temporary basis to them who is an experienced clerk. So that their work functions properly. So we agreed to that also. We agreed to the infrastructure and the stationaries which are required to the Kelosim Panchayat. Then allotting of the funds, which we out of our concern, we agreed to share their 15-16 revenue what they had collected, which was in a joint account of Kelosim and Kortalim Panchayat. We agreed to share annual income to them irrespective of the expenditure that has been done to their area. And by a genuine decision, we have said, okay, from now onwards we are going to share that annual income, and that's all final. So the final decision was just everything was cleared. Now the question is, they are still here. The Kelosim Sarpanch is still here in our premises, which it becomes very difficult for us to function. You know, the people from Kortalim as well as people from Kelosim, they come here and there is a lot of chaos created, which hampers the work. It becomes difficulty for our secretary also to function smoothly. To CM, we have done the letter to the minister of the Panchayat. We have done the letter to director of the Panchayat. We have done a letter to deputy director as well as the local MLA. So we have done CC to the BDO also.
Issue वो गेलोलो तो last body गेलोलो last member न गेलोलो तिंतु एक पण member ना दिसमागा एक पण ना. So एक पण ना. So ये member अंगे आत किती हम होती आणि किती हम खबर ना तेंगे लोका के केडशी लोका के तर problem ना आणि government के problem ना. We are ready. We have no objection. किती आमका तेंग सोडपापा दिसना. आमच्या भावाने कोणी ती ये बॉडी तर प्रॉब्लेम हा सेपरेट वचपाक तो तेंगे इश्यू कितें आतां आमकां खबर ना.
So you are ready to adopt?
Yeah, we are ready to adopt. लोकांगे प्रॉब्लेम ना आणि गव्हर्मेंटागे प्रॉब्लेम ना जाल्यार